Drink this before breakfast burns 1 pound a day. A maverick Japanese doctor recently leaked the secret ingredients of an ancient Japanese tonic that targets the root cause of deep belly fat and activates a powerful little-known fat-burning hormone inside you that melts away all your stubborn body fat. Discover the done-for-you Japanese tonic to melt 3 pounds every 3.5 days. Firefighter Mike Banner's 45-year-old sister, Susan, lost 54 pounds in only 7 weeks with no exercise due to osteoarthritis in her damaged knee. Make sure to drink this tasty potent Japanese tonic before 10 a.m. to melt twice as much fat as 1 hour on a joint-destroying treadmill. In fact, some folks are losing up to 33.5 pounds of fat in just 30 days by simply drinking this tonic daily before 10 a.m. Just have a quick cup before 10 a.m. to dissolve 3 pounds. Make sure to drink this potent Japanese tonic before 10 a.m. to melt twice as much fat as 1 hour on a joint-destroying treadmill. In fact, some folks are losing up to 33 pounds of clogged fat in just 30 days by simply drinking this tonic daily before 10 a.m. A doctor from Japan recently leaked the formula of a secret Japanese tonic that burns fat from your frame faster than anything else discovered. Shady figures behind the scenes were scrambling to keep this formula hidden to protect the profits of the pharma and weight loss industries, but the doctors secretly leaked it to the brother of Susan Adley, a 45-year-old mom of 3 kids, after he saw Susan struck by a sudden heart attack she got from standing up too fast. With this ancient tonic alone she lost 54 pounds in 7 weeks without exercise due to osteoarthritis in her left knee, and without restrictive diets. This tonic comes from a remote island in Japan where obesity and diabetes type 2 are unheard of. And where men and women have the longest life expectancy in the world. It's so powerful because it targets the single root cause of belly fat. Those who've used it are already seeing incredible results without adding in exercise or changing their diet. She's still dropping weight. Discover the 3,000-year-old Japanese fat-dissolving tonic burns 1 pound of fat per day.